Hey everybody, today I'm here at Luminous Med Spa and I am Cindy, the mural artist today. My friend owns this and this is her relaxation room where they're going to do massages and infrared treatments and things that help your body relax. And here it is, the Serenity room, and I'm going to show you the inspiration. See that painting right there? I really like the ombre effect of the water, and I'm going to paint this with a watery background and make it feel like your body's settling down and calming down and falling down into a relaxed state of serenity. So I'm going to get started now and I'll show you the before and after.